Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn networking for beginners. First, begin by grasping the core principles of how computers communicate. Familiarize yourself with essential network hardware, such as routers, which direct traffic, and switches, which connect devices within a local area network. A crucial step is to delve into the Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI model, understanding its 7 distinct layers and their functions. This foundational knowledge is key to building your expertise. Next, it's time to get hands-on. Set up a virtual lab or use simulation software to practice configuring network devices. Focus on mastering key protocols such as Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol, or TCP/IP, which forms the backbone of the Internet, and Domain Name System, or DNS, for translating domain names into IP addresses. Become proficient with command line tools like ping and ipconfig for effective network troubleshooting and analysis. As you progress, understanding network security becomes vital. Learn about common threats like malware and phishing, and how to implement basic defenses. Develop systematic troubleshooting skills to diagnose and resolve network problems efficiently. Explore the role of firewalls in protecting networks and how to configure access control lists to manage traffic flow. These skills are essential for maintaining a robust and secure network environment. Finally, to truly advance your networking career, delve into more specialized areas such as cloud networking and network virtualization. Pursue industry-recognized certifications like CompTIA Network Plus or Cisco Certified Network Associate, which validate your expertise and open new opportunities. Continuously educate yourself on new technologies and trends, as the networking landscape is always evolving. This continuous learning will ensure your skills remain relevant and valuable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.